Hey, just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is an air mattress. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular that we do have right here is a queen size, so it is very big when you guys do inflate it. And in terms of the height of the product, this one right here is 18 inch. They do have this available, I believe, in a 15 inch and a 22 inch. So depending on how high you guys want it, that is totally up to you guys. But it's really cool how this product fits in this small little box when you guys do get it. So first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. But when you guys do take it out, once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So let's take out this bag as well. So once you guys do take it out, you can see inside there's a little bag for you guys to hold the product inside to keep it organized when you guys are done using it, which is pretty cool. And on this little bag, they do give you guys an option for you to make it tighter, and they give you guys a handle for you to carry around really easy. But let's open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys open the inside, right here there's a piece of paper to show you guys how to set it up and how to put it away. Because I believe for the product it does have a self-inflating option and a self-deflating option when you guys do plug it in. But when you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like before you guys inflate it. And then right there we do have the user manual to teach you guys how to use it. So if you guys open this part up, and see right here we do have the different button for you guys to press. So there's an inflate, a stop, deflate, and release. And if you guys open right here, here is basically the cable you guys can plug in to actually activate it. And then once you guys are done, you can close it back up. So very easy and very simple for you to use it. Now I'm actually put this down on the ground and plug it in to show you guys how well the product works and how to actually use it. Alright, so once you guys fully expand it, this is what the product looks like. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So what we're going to do now is to plug in cable, which is right here. So if you guys do plug it in, once you guys have it plugged in, what you're going to do is press the inflate button. So right here. Alright, so this is what the product looks like once you guys fully inflate it. You can see how it just stops by itself, and I didn't have to click it, which is pretty cool. But you can see when you guys fully inflate it, it definitely looks very big. Like I mentioned, for this one in particular, it's a queen size, so it should fit 2 people on here. They mentioned the weight limit that's on here when you guys do use it is 720 pounds. So as long as you guys don't exceed that weight limit, then you should be fine. So if I turn it over to this side, you can see how it does have the brand name on there. And once you guys are ready to deflate it, you basically want to press the deflate button. But I'll show you guys that test in a second. Let's hop on to see how it feels. Alright, so if you guys do hop on. Once you guys do hop on, this is what the product looks like. So when I do lay down on here, it actually feels really comfortable. It definitely has a good amount of cushion on here to give you guys that all-day comfort and support when you guys do lay down, which is pretty cool. And you can see for this air mattress, it does give you guys a pretty good coverage from top to bottom. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that they do mention how it does have a leak-proof design. So when you guys do sleep on here, you don't have to worry about the air leaking out. And even if it does, you guys can just inflate it again. But you see the height of the product, it is pretty tall. Like I mentioned, this one in particular is 18 inch. They do have like the 15 inch or 22 inch. So depending on how high you guys want or how low you guys want, that is totally up to you guys. But now let's deflate it to show you guys how easy it is to actually deflate it and put it away as well. So literally all you're gonna do is just press the deflate button. And then once it's done, you can see how it starts by itself. So it's really cool how she has a auto inflate and auto deflate where it starts by itself and you don't have to press the button again, which is pretty awesome. Another thing that I forgot to mention is the fact that for the air mattress, when you guys do use it, they do have like this non-slip material on the bottom to prevent it from moving around, which is pretty cool. But now let's fold it back up to show you guys how easy it is to actually put it away. So let's put it back in the cable first. And now you can fold it back up. So just like that, it's basically all set. So now you can put it back into the bag. Once you guys put it back into the bag, then it's all set. So you can see, very easy and very simple for us to use the product. And the whole inflating and deflating process didn't take that long. It took roughly around 3 minutes to inflate and 3 minutes to deflate as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality air mattress that basically is a queen size and give you guys the auto stop option for inflating and deflating by itself, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.